as October 1st.
Well, one of the biggest conventions of the year is right here in Las Vegas this week. We are talking about ConExpo, and right there they'll show off all the latest and greatest in the world of construction.
Yeah, some really cool machinery with those big rock mouth crushing things.
Like
and
this.
Speaking of big mouths, Mike Doria is there. Mike Doria live at the Las Vegas Convention Center. What's up, Mike?
All right, Dave. Your head is filled with the same things, aluminum, plastic, and steel. All inside of this little excavator. This thing was 3D printed. Can you believe that? It's like perfect height for me, because you could see, you know, the guy over there, he's about my height. 3D printed. This is sort of the wave of the future. We're in the tech area of ConExpo, ConAg, and we can tell you the scoop over there and the arm attached to it, that was made of aluminum. So this is called Project Amy. This is going to be the wave of the future where they 3D print things. We're going to head inside now into the experience, because as the construction industry evolves, you're going to start to see it be a little bit more automated. So think of NASA, think of mission control. This is exactly what they're going to have in the world of construction. Everything is going to be run from a sort of central point, them telling trucks where to go, what to do, and then this is kind of cool over here. It's kind of really cute, too. All right, so Al is with the Association of Equipment Manufacturers. Al, I love what you've got here. Because if you were just looking at this on TV and you weren't standing next to it, it would look really like life-size, but it's not.
No, it's not actually. It's just to show off to the contractors the autonomous and remote vehicles for improved safety and efficiency.
And so we saw this a little bit when the Mine Expo was in town. It's not necessarily to put people out of jobs, but it's to go to places where you ordinarily couldn't get and be able to work a little bit longer, a little bit harder without sort of tiring out crews and vehicles that cost a lot to fix and repair.
You know, in mining, it's a lot more common for autonomous vehicles because it's a normal, constant site. Here, contractors, every job is different. Interesting that you make the point about jobs and what are people thinking. Actually, in one of the other zones, we have a kiosk to tell them what their future jobs will be.
And some of them are just shifting them to, because they're still going to, they know what these machines can do. They still need that kind of brain power to tell the machines what to do.
That's right. I mean, the operators, service techs are all still going to be needed in the mission control that you just talked about earlier.
All right. I'm going to come over here and show you. So, again, it's sort of like a scaled model, but my favorite part of this, Dave and Maria, is, if I can reach down there, is they have the porta potties in here. And they're made of foam, and then they have fire hydrants and then cones. Like, this is so cool, and it's going to be on at the convention, I think, starting at 9 o'clock, basically showing you. But the porta potties for me, hilarious.
Mike, one of the coolest jobs I ever had when I was in college, I got to work at a big gold mine out in Beatty. I got to drive one of those big trucks with the huge tires that like the monster trucks. Oh, it was so awesome.
And you didn't ruin it? Like, you didn't crash it?
No, I didn't even run into anything. It was so cool. Yeah, that's a really cool convention out there.
Well, the more interesting part of that, Maria, is, Dave, you didn't strike gold at all, did you? You didn't know where to look.
Well, if I had, I wouldn't be sitting here talking with you, Mike. So, thanks, Doria.
I will pick that up, I promise.
Yeah,
I put the porta potty down the wrong way.
I know. He likes porta potties because he has a potty mouth.
We can't take that guy anywhere, I swear.
All right, coming up, making sure our young